Basically, Murcha Pranayama is also called fainting pranayama. So what you have to do is, you have to adopt two mudras. Like one is sky gazing, means looking up, which is called Akashi Mudra. And second is Shambhavi Mudra, means looking at your center of the eyebrows and deep breathing. You can perform Ujjayi breathing while performing these two mudras, means combination of Akashi Mudra, then Shambhavi Mudra and Ujjayi breathing. Okay? See, like this. You have to look up, then look at your center of the eyebrows and only 10 breathing. You might feel heaviness on your head and you might feel giddiness. So what you can do, you can just blink your eyes and again adopt the center of the eyebrows, Shambhavi Mudra. Okay? So like this you have to do 10 times. So next we are going to see now Shitali Pranayama. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You have to curl your tongue. Inhale through your mouth, exhale through your nose. Okay? And if you're not at all able to curl your tongue, you can simply make a O shape of your lips like this and inhale, exhale. Okay? Like this we are going to do first 10 times. Let's start. Adopt the tongue mudra. Inhale, exhale. In next variation, same you are going to inhale from mouth. Close your both nostrils completely. Hold the breath inside for 8 counts. And then at the time of exhale, close your nostril halfway and exhale. Watch me again. Inhale, then Antar Kumbhak for 8 count, completely nostril close. After 8 counts, close your nostril halfway and exhale through nose. And then start second set. Okay? So, cooling pranayama with Antar Kumbhak. This is how 5 times 1 round. Okay? 1 set करना है, 5 बार repetitions करेंगे. Inhale. Close your both nostrils completely. Hold for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now close your nostril partially. Exhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So next variation, same. We are going to add now Jalandhar Bandha with Antar Kumbhaka. Just watch me. Inhale. Close your nostril completely and lock your chin on the chest. We are going to hold here for 8 counts. After 8 counts, close your nostril partially and exhale for 4 counts. Okay? So this is how we are going to do now 3 rounds, 1 set. Inhale. Close your both nostrils completely. Lock your chin. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight now. Close your nostril halfway. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. This is how you have to continue in this speed only, slow and steady. In next variation, now with Jalandhar Bandha we are going to add Mula Bandha together. Okay. So first observe me, inhale like this. Again you have to close your nostril, Jalandhar Bandha, and you have to perform Mula Bandha also together. And again here holding for 8 counts, and after 8 count release both bandhas and exhale for 4 counts by keeping your nostril partially open. Okay. So this is how we are going to do 3 rounds. Inhale. Jalandhar Bandha, close your nostril, and Mula Bandha, lock your perineum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight, release your bandha, close your nostril partially, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. In next variation of cooling pranayama, clench your teeth. Inhale from mouth. Exhale through nose. Okay, like this 10 counts, 1 set. In next variation, you have to breathe in the same way like this. At the time of exhale, close your nostril partially and exhale. So whenever you are closing your nostril partially, you have to exhale slowly. Okay, up to 4 count you have to exhale. Okay. Inhale, make a sound. Then close your nostril partially and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Close your nostril partially, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we are going to do 5 counts, 5 times 1 set. Next variation, inhale same way. Now Antar Kumbhak, add Jalandhar Bandha together, holding here for 8 counts. After 8 counts, look straight, close your nostril partially and exhale for 4 counts. Okay, like this we are going to do 3 rounds, 1 set. Inhale. Close your nostril completely, Jalandhar Bandha, hold here. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Close your nostril completely, Antar Kumbhak, only Jalandhar Bandha, hold here. 1, 8 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight, close your nostril, partially exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in next variation, you have to apply both bandhas, Jalandhar Bandha and Mula Bandha with Antar Kumbhak like this. Inhale. Close your nostril completely, Jalandhar Bandha, Mula Bandha, holding here for 8 counts. Then after 8 counts, partially nostril close, and exhale for 4 counts. Okay, like this, 3 rounds, 1 set. Inhale. Jalandhar Bandha, Mula Bandha. Close your nostril tightly, completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight. Exhale for 4 counts by keeping nostril partially open. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we are doing cooling pranayama, you should always do Chandra Nadi and Chandra Bhedam pranayama. At that time, you should not do Surya Bhedan or Surya Nadi pranayama. Okay? And once you complete Chandra Nadi, Chandra Bhedam pranayama, after that you can complete your series with Anulom Vilom pranayama. At that time only you can do Surya Bhedan and pranayama, but not separately. Surya Nadi का कोई प्राणायाम नहीं करना है. Okay? So after performing cooling pranayama, you have to close your right nostril partially. Left side, inhale and exhale continuously 10 times, 1 set. Once you do Chandra Nadi pranayam, left inhale, left exhale, you should do Chandra Bhedam pranayam by keeping your right nostril closed. Inhale from left side and then exhale from right side. Then again inhale from left side, exhale from right side. Like this, 10 rounds left to right, 1 set. Once you finish Chandra Bhedam pranayam, you should finish the series with Anulom Vilom pranayam, 3 to 5 minutes. And here you have to keep ratio for 4 count inhale, 8 count exhale, then 4 count inhale, 8 count exhale. So whenever you are inhaling either right, left or right, it should be 4 count inhalation, and for exhalation same 8 count. Okay, so this is how you should do your rounds. Means it should not be fast. It should be like, like expansion of your inhalation and exhalation. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes. So deep breathing we are going to do Antar Kumbhaka with Jalandhar Bandha, Mula Bandha, and after exhalation Uddiyana Bandha. Let's start. Inhale. Hold your breath inside. Jalandhar Bandha and Mula Bandha together. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight. Release your bandha. Exhale completely. And pull your stomach inside. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. So like this you can do 5 rounds before starting your asana practice, or after completing your asana practice. Deep breathing you can include anywhere. Okay, only the variations have limitations where to include in asana practice, but deep breathing anywhere you can include. So now we are going to see how you can use Uddiyana Bandha in this Kapalbhati pranayam. So what you can do, inhale. I'm holding my breath inside again. Okay, and here again you can perform Jalandhar Bandha and Mula Bandha together like this. You can hold here literally for 8 counts. Then after 8 counts, exhale in Kapalbhati. And once you exhale, there only hold your stomach for 8 count. And then relax. Okay? And whenever you are combining your inhalation, exhalation, any of the pranayama plus kumbhaka plus bandha, the count should be lesser. Okay? So this also we are going to do for 5 times. Inhale. Hold your breath. Jalandhar Bandha, Moola Bandha. You can close your nostril if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight. Exhale in Kapalbhati. And hold. No breathing. Just hold your stomach inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, release the bandha and breathe for 5 times. And then you can start second set. Like every after one set you have to breathe in between for at least 4 to 5 times. And then go for next set. So here while performing Uddiyana Bandha at outer retention, if you want to explore more advanced, more harder, so what you can do along with Uddiyana Bandha, you can perform partially Moola Bandha again. Okay, so this time whenever you perform Uddiyana Bandha and Moola Bandha together, so Moola Bandha will get stronger. And only performing alone Moola Bandha is little difficult. But along with your stomach pull, it becomes easier. So here also you can combine 2 bandhas in this outer kumbhaka. So now let's do in Ujjayi like this. Again same way you have to do Ujjayi. Then hold here Jalandhar Bandha and Moola Bandha together. We are holding here for 8 counts. Okay, and after 8 count you have a choice. You can either exhale half nostril close या फिर normally exhale कर सकते हो. And after full exhalation perform Uddiyana Bandha for another 8 count. This is 1 round. Okay, so this is how you can perform 3 to 5 rounds at a go. Every after one variation you have to perform 4 to 5 times normal breathing, then go for second set. Same after second set, third set के लिए भी वैसे. Let's do Ujjayi Pranayam. Inhale. Hold your breath inside Jalandhar Bandha and Moola Bandha together. Hold here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you have option either exhale like this, half nostril close, or exhale normally, completely. Make sure you are exhaling for 4 counts. Then after fully exhalation, perform Uddiyana Bandha and hold 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, breathe, 4 to 5 times breathing, and then second set. Now same bandhas with Bhastrika. So first you have to inhale and then hold your breath here. Jalandhar Bandha, Moola Bandha. Here we are going to hold for 8 counts. And while exhaling, you have a choice. Either you can keep your nostril partially closed or keep it fully open. Like this. And then stomach inside. Uddiyana Bandha. And then again hold for 8 counts. Okay, release, normal breathing, then go for round 2. Same after that you have to continue. This is how you can perform 5 rounds. Inhale Bhastrika. Lock your chin, Jalandhar Bandha and Moola Bandha together. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release Bandha, exhale Bhastrika. Uddiyana Bandha in Bahir Kumbhaka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, breathe, normal breathing.